I think I messed up. I thought crypto was just about coins and trading. Turns out it can actually power the technology of tomorrow. Imagine a gigantic computer made up of thousands of regular PCs around the world. Yep, even yours. That's basically the Golem network, a decentralized marketplace for computing power. Here's how it works. Let's say you need to run a massive AI task or crunch through some heavy data. Instead of buying expensive hardware, you tap into the Golem network, where people offer their idle computer resources. The network splits your big job into smaller tasks and distributes them across multiple providers, so everything gets done faster and way more efficiently. But how do you pay for this power? That's where GLM comes in. GLM, or Golem Network Token, is the currency used on the platform. As a requester, you set your own bid in GLM for how much you're willing to pay to get your job done. As a provider, you earn GLM by letting the network use your computer's spare power. It's a win-win. No middlemen, just peer-to-peer collaboration that fuels innovation. Curious to get involved? Whether you want to earn GLM or just stay in the loop, the best place to start is the Golem Network Discord community. You'll find support, updates, and all the help you need. So next time you see the GLM logo, remember, it's more than just a crypto token. It's the engine driving a decentralized, AI-powered future.